everyone! Welcome to my kitchen! 皆さんこんにちは、メイアケミハラです。A delicious food connects people and makes everyone happy. I'm always cooking while thinking about you. Let's get started! I shared salmon sushi roll on my previous video. Today I'm going to share two new sushi roll recipes. Yakiniku sushi roll and Tonkatsu sushi roll. We usually make sushi roll with fish, but I often cook it with meat and it's very delicious and easy. Here's what we need: rice, beef, tonkatsu. I will share the tonkatsu recipe on my next video. Vegetables, nori or Japanese seaweed pepper. We are also going to use yakiniku no tare and tonkatsu sauce, which has sweet and yummy flavor, and sushi seasoning. So let's get started by stir frying the beef. まず牛肉を炒めます。余分な油を取り除いていきましょう。Put the 焼肉のタレ into the pan and coat the beef well with it. 焼肉のタレを加えます。Take the beef off from the pan and cool it for a while. Put the tonkatsu sauce to tonkatsu. Lastly, mix sushi seasoning to the rice and mix it well. 寿司酢を加えてご飯とよく混ぜます。So now that all the ingredients are prepared, I'm ready to roll, and to make a sushi roll, you are going to need a makisu, which is a bamboo seed that looks like this. But if you don't have it, you can cook sushi roll with a plastic wrap like what I am doing. もし巻きすをお持ちでない場合は、このようにラップでもできます。With one sheet of nori or seaweed pepper on the makisu, place and spread out the sushi rice evenly. Put tonkatsu and vegetables on the rice. As you can see, I'm not good with my hands, but even I can make sushi roll somehow, so I urge you all try to do this at home. 私はあまり器用ではないのですが、ちゃんと海苔巻きを作れるので、皆さんもぜひお家で試してみてくださいね。Okay, so here are yakiniku roll and tonkatsu roll. I hope you enjoy making these yakiniku roll and tonkatsu roll recipes. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video likes and subscribe to my channel for more Japanese recipes. Thank you for watching. Bye!